Shane Paulson here from Signature Home Services. Wow, what a year we've had. In spite of this pandemic, we're still here committed to helping you with all your home improvement needs. Whether your home needs a new roof, siding, windows, doors, or gutter protection, we've got you covered. Did your home suffer hail or wind damage from recent storms? Most insurance companies give you a time frame to file the claim and have the repairs completed. However, there's no sense in filing a frivolous claim if you don't have damage. Our remodeling consultants are available to do free 28-point inspections of the exterior of your home. This includes points of possible water intrusion. Sometimes this kind of damage can take years to manifest, and by that time, it's almost too late. If you do have damage, it makes the most sense to have us meet with your insurance adjuster at your home and go over the damage together. We work directly with your insurance company and help coordinate your project from beginning to end. If necessary, we can make emergency repairs until your insurance adjuster has a chance to come out and assess the damage. Rest assured, we here at Signature Home Services are following all necessary protocols and mandated requirements to protect you and our staff. To view our current pandemic and safety protocol, visit our website. We're offering contactless appointments with social distancing, as well as virtual meetings to help discuss the details of your project. Contact us today for your free 28-point inspection.